When you are running with a course enabled, your watch will notify you when and where to turn. However, if you do not receive turn notifications or they appear at the wrong time, we will show you how to solve this issue in this video. First, open Garmin Connect. Select More. Training and Planning. Courses. Select your course. Swipe up to view its details. If turn notification is not enabled, select the three dots icon. Edit. Enabled turn notification. Save. Send to your device. Now, your watch will notify you to turn. Next, if turn notifications still don't appear, or appear at the wrong time, please check your course. Sometimes, courses downloaded from the internet are directly created from a GPS watch. Their accuracy is affected by GPS signals quality. For example, you want to run from here to here. The course should be like this. But a course created from the tracking records of a GPS watch may look like this. You can see that some curves angles become smaller, and turn notifications tends to appear at bigger or obvious angles. So, we may not get a turn notification at this curve and get a wrong turn notification here. To solve the issue, the best way is creating our own new course. First, go to Garmin Connect website. Training and Planning. Courses. Create new. Select a course type. Suppose we want to create a course from the Garmin office to Taipei City Hall. First, select your routing preference. Then, select the starting point. And then, select the ending point. Because we choose to follow popular routes, Garmin plans a course along Riverside Park, instead of the shortest course. Then, we can edit this course. Suppose we prefer to run along the other side of the river bank. First, click the course to add a new waypoint. Then, drag the point to the other side of the river bank. We can also add course points along the course. Select a type. Select its location. Name it and save. Your device will alert you during your activity. After finishing editing the course, name the course and save. Done. Now, we can send the course to our Garmin device and start navigating. Thanks for watching.